Hello, my name is María Camila Barrera González, Head of a Green Document for the Commercial of the Soft Company de Soft Colombia S.A. Which part of the team should the people who will take part in the negotiation on your bid? We will main sport page, we will attend the negotiation, perform seconds for you. Would have the author today's the Queen's Eye. We do you need consult wide practice quests. Money can be spent. What agreements can be made with technique service technique requires. Conclusion: technology negotiation must respond to a strategy defined applied by the organism. To this extent, it comments to apply in different scale labs to general 7 altar. Thank you.